Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineers Educator, and our topic is types of cement, and this is the module 2. And coming to the air entraining cement, and the air entraining cement consists of OPC, ordinary Portland cement. When combined with the air entraining agents, it is of contains 0.05% to 0.1%, and the air entraining agents like alkali salts, which is came from wooden resins, and synthetic detergents, and hydroperoxide and bleaching powder. By using of these air entraining agents, we can decrease the sulfate of concrete, and we can produce the lightweight concrete. And by using the air entraining cement, it is also reduces the plastic nature of the concrete like workability and segregation. And this air entraining agency is mixed where the cement clinker is grinding, and due to the using of air entraining cement, we can decrease the sulfate of the concrete, and we can use at the places where roadside pedestrian walks and for parking places, etc. Hydrophobic cement, and the hydrophobic cement represents the IS code 8043 1991 revised. In the name itself, hydrophobic means hydro means water, and the phobic means resist. The cement which offers the resisting of water is known as hydrophobic cement. Generally, it is manufactured with OPC, is mixed with the water repelling film. The water repelling films such as oic acid and stearic acid. These water repelling films are mixed in the cement. In the manufacturing process of the cement, each particles will coat with this oleic acid and stearic acid, and it offers this is the water content, and it will increases the durability of the concrete, and it does not absorb any cement content. Generally, the application of hydrophobic cement is used in the places where sewage plants, water treatment plants, and the places where the rainfall is more occurring places. This type of hydrophobic cement is suggested. And coming to the masonry cement, it is manufactured by using of air entraining agents and by using admixtures. In the mixture of the Portland clinker, these two agents are used and to prepare the masonry cement. Generally, masonry cement in olden days for masonry works, lime mortar is used. And nowadays we are using cement mortar. Okay, the term mortar, we know that the mixture of cement plus fine aggregate is called cement mortar, or we can also call it as lime mortar. Okay, we can see it is also similar to the OPC grade of cement. And by comparing the lime mortar and the cement mortar is more inferior than the lime mortar in the standards of the workability or strength. We improve the water retentivity of the structure and plasticity of the mix. Generally, masonry cement are used for the building of masonry structures, means building of walls for a plaster purpose. IRST T40 grade cement, and the cement is also known as Indian Railway Sleeper Concrete also, and generally it is used in the manufacturing of sleepers in the railways. Okay, due to the increase of C3S compounds in the mixture of a Portland clinker, it increases the early strength of the mix, and also it is used in the precast industry, and it also used in the high-rise buildings, and at the more strength it is also used in the repair works. Oil well cement. This oil well cement is generally used when we go for the expulsion of oils or any gas products. We use this oil well cement at the place of when it reaches at the rocky strata, the space between to fill the space between the casing and the rocky strata, these type of cement are used as the grout material, and it is used to apply with the pistons at a pressure of 1300 kg per mm square, and the temperature may be 175 degrees. And oil well cement is have a resistance to sulfuric attack and corrosion attack, and if some of the dissolved salts also maybe get attacked to the such areas, so oil well cements are used to resist the type of dissolved salts. Generally, for these type of situations, we generally use some retarders to increase the workability and to decrease the setting time of the concrete. Ready set cement, the ACC, the Association of Cement Companies of India, discovered the ready set cement. These ready set cement properties are it's more strength in the span of less time, means it takes 8 to 12 minutes for the setting time of the cement. Generally, it is used for the emergency works and repair works, and it is also used in the precast industry. While using the ready set cement, we can also have more heat of hydration, and it is less resistant to sulfuric attacks. Waterproofing cement. These waterproofing cement generally manufactured from the grinding the clinker material. These waterproofing agents also mixed with the cement to form the waterproof cement. Generally, these waterproof cements manufactured by using the calcium separate and aluminum separate, and gypsum is treated with titanium. These three ingredients is used to produce the waterproofing cement, and generally waterproofing cement is used at the places where nature is direct exposure, in the terrace, in the bathrooms. It is also used in the marine structures. High aluminum cement. Generally, we can also call it as aluminous cement and aluminate cement. Generally, it is produced by fusing of limestone and bauxite product. We can get the high aluminum cement. By using the high aluminum cement, heat of hydration also increases, and it takes more time for the initial setting time of the cement, and it is good resistant for the chemical attack and the water attack. High early cement. This cement is divided into three types. One is high early strength cement, and MPC, magnesium phosphate cement, and pyramid cement. In the pyramid cement, no chlorides are used. Generally, this is used in the USA. Okay, this is one of the trademark cement. And MPC, magnesium phosphate cement, and high early cement. In the high early cement, lithium phosphate is used as the accelerator to get the higher strength, and cement can be used in the design of runways and the repairing works and launching pads, expressways, and in such a places it will take for more time for the transportation of the cement. Okay, normal cement maybe tends to deterioration. In that such places, this high strength cement is used